Hi, this is Mayor from Frog Lock, and we're going to show you how to install a rim cylinder on a push bar door. And there's no cylinder on this side, and just a hole, so we can open it from the outside. Going to need to take the exit device apart. Okay, this is Mayor again from Frog Lock. We took the exit device out of the door, as you can see, and now going to install the rim cylinder. This is the set of the rim cylinder. This is too long, I need to cut it. See, we cut it to the right size. And now it's time to put back the exit device. Okay, we put the exit device back, and before we close all the screws, we just need to make sure everything works perfectly. And now we can close it. And once it's all closed, we need to make sure everything works fine. Doors closed. And we're going to try from outside. Door is locked. All set. Make sure your place is nice and clean before you leave. Thank you very much. It's brought to you by Frog Lock.